back. First thing I want you to do though is go ahead and click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? I'm glad you guys are here with me today. For those of you, if it's your first time here, you're here because you're looking for a way to make some money online, and that's how you ended up on my page. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, and I show you how to do that from home. That's what I love about this business. I can be mobile anywhere in the world. As long as I have my phone, my laptop, and a Wi-Fi connection, I'm in business, okay? So, what I want to do today, though, is I received a package in the mail. Priority mail, and you can see right here, it says 724, okay? New package. Okay, that's for Six Figure Stamp Club. Because everybody keeps saying, well, are you still in the program? Is it still working? Yes, I am, guys. If you don't see me do a video, that doesn't mean I've stopped, okay? Once I join, I'm in, okay? So yes, I did. So let me show you the letter. This is the Six Figure Stamp Club letter to, wrong side, there you go. And you can see right here, here's my domain, Mail Order Freedom Club, okay? So you can do letters or you can do postcards, okay? Just 2 pages, all right? Full color. Now if you really want to make people open the envelope, you need an envelope like this, okay? To mail. So get in touch with me. I'll give you my source for that. But what is Six Figure Stamp Club? It is a direct mail company. They sell leads, okay? Everybody out here need leads if you're doing a home-based business, okay? So you can become a member of the club. They have 4 membership levels. You can earn $50 commissions. You can earn $150. You can earn $300. You can earn $1,000. Not to mention the second tier level, your indirect sales, okay, from your team, okay? So this is a powerful program. Once your team gets to rolling, every time they get paid, you get paid, all right? So you need leads, and then you're able to buy your leads at a discount, okay, because you're a member of the club, so that allows you discount prices on your leads, okay? So what I want to do is open this package up for you real quick, and then I'm going to show you something else. Okay, so get you some leads, guys. Join Six Figure Stamp Club. All right, I'm not going to turn this around because it has the person's address on there. So I'm going to hold it down. As you can see, I open it up. Okay. Miss Gates, she knows who she is. Miss Gates out of Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Okay. Welcome aboard. Okay. Whoa. Okay, she came in at the blue level. I'm going to show you that. So I got my stamps. I'm going to use these to mail out. That's $150, guys, okay? See that? $150. And I'm going to show you this letter without showing people's information. Alrighty. Hang on a second. I don't want to show anybody's info. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you her signature because I don't want to show you her email addresses on here too. Okay? You can see. And then I'll show you the, I'll put the money over it. Or the stamps over it so you can see the level she joined at. Okay? Alright, for privacy protection, right here, you see that? It says blue level. Blue level is $150, okay? That means my sponsor received money too, okay? So every time I get paid, my sponsor gets paid, and then the company gets paid, okay? So I love that. Get your commissions and stamps, okay? Six Figure Stamp Club still works, guys. I'm going to put the link below for you to get started. Pick a level and let's go with that. But while I have you, I want to tell you about my other program I recently joined also. So you're getting 2 for 1 today. Club Cash Fund also, okay? Club Cash Fund, with this one, guys, you don't have to do the mailing of your letter. All you need to do is get people over to your website, okay, with this one, and the company will mail this packet out for you. So you don't have to do that with this one. And it's only $100 to get started with this, okay? So you don't actually have to mail anything. Just get people to your website that the company gives you, and they'll mail the letter out for you, okay? So, 2 for 1. So this was only $100. Get started today if you want to do it sooner. Instead of waiting on your kit to come in the mail, give me a call. I'll give you the Cash App information. You can send your $100 in, and you can get this one started today. And you still will get your kit in the mail, okay? And the kit will come in something like this. So this is it. A little small envelope, and you get a letter like that, okay? That's for your club cash fund, okay? So, you got your 6-figure stamp club. All right, club cash fund. And then you still have this one too, okay? This is the one I still have. You still have this one. This is the 30-day one. How about that? Okay? All right, so we're still in business, guys. Still in business. Mail order is booming, guys. It's easy. Everybody can do it. I got my postcards here. I don't want to show you what's on. Let me show you, because I have a domain created just for this. These are the postcards I use. It has my picture on it, and I have some information on the other side. So if you're interested in custom postcards, let me know, okay? So with that being said, guys, get started with me in one of these 3 programs. 6-figure stamp club, 30-day success, or your club cash fund. It doesn't matter. Just get started, okay? No more procrastination. Do you realize half of the year is already gone? We will be in 2020 very shortly, okay? So it's time to take action, get started. So I'm going to put the links below for all 3 of those. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a video. And if you have any questions, give me a call. Jot them down. Give me a call. Let's talk. Let's get you started. Till next time, see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.